Hello, and on behalf of the Accu-Tech crew, thank you for looking at our YouTube channel. Today we're going to highlight a new feature that's been recently added to our revision 8.2. You now have the ability to classify an accounts payable invoice as an ACH transaction. To do this, you must first go to the vendor file and answer yes to the question, Allow ACH Transactions. Next, we're going to go ahead and enter an invoice for a vendor that we have set up to allow ACH transactions. I'll go ahead and pull my vendor up. You will notice that the system will ask if the invoice you are entering for this vendor is going to be paid with ACH. I'm going to go ahead and answer yes. We'll continue entering the invoice as you normally would. And we'll key in an amount. And I'll go ahead and click Done. Next, we'll go ahead and go to the Accounts Payable Hold Release Check Control screen. You'll notice that two items have been added to the screen. You now have an ACH Filter option at the top of the screen. Click this box to only show invoices that will be paid via ACH. And you'll notice that we added a column to the right of the screen that shows the invoices to be paid via ACH. I'll go ahead and release these two invoices, and we will choose to go ahead and print the checks. We now have a radio button on the check print function. If you click the ACH radio button, only ACH invoices that have been released will be processed. Note that we purposefully are only allowing you to process one or the other. The system will not process both regular checks and ACH payments at the same time. Once we choose ACH, the system will go ahead and ask for our bank account and the date of the check, or the ACH payment in this case. You will notice that it will not ask for a check number and go ahead and assign an ACH internal payment or control number. All ACH transactions will start with AC. I'll go ahead and click our Print Check button. And the system will give you some information about some reports that will be automatically sent to the pass queue. And we'll go ahead and say everything looks fine. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this function and choose my pass queue option. And you'll notice you have two reports that have been sent to the pass queue. The system will report what was paid and actually send copies of the checks to the pass queue. I'm going to go ahead and exit and go to our visual check register. And as you see, the ACH checks will appear. It is important to note that the MIS system will not automatically send ACH data electronically to a financial institution. This function simply instructs the system to not print a check when the invoice is released and processed for payment. Contact AccuTech if you would like us to quote a custom ACH electronic interface with your financial institution. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this new feature.